All right, and that system indeed is going to be impacting us, but in the form of rain. So here's where it is so far. Starting to see that rain, snow, wintry mix happening over in Texas. And then we're watching down here. There's a system that will start to develop that will make its way on over. So if we put this into motion, here's what it looks like. A lot of snow up to the north. And then for us, just a lot of rain will be happening. This is all for tomorrow. So within the next 24 hours, it's going to be a very busy one for the southern region. All right, freeze alerts, freeze warnings that affect for this morning as you head out the door. Not for the New Orleans metro area, not for the coastal areas, but looking at portions of the south of the North Shore, river parishes, portions of the bayou as well. Looking at temperatures being very close to that freezing mark. But I can tell you, we've only seen the North Shore really drop below freezing this morning. 30 Slidell, 29 for Hammond. Then you look at the South Shore, you're into the mid-30s to even some upper 30s as well. River parishes, you're looking at some 30s as well. So still staying above the freezing mark. Now more so on the North Shore though. Looking at 31 Mandeville, Covington, looking at 30. Ponchatoula now dropped down to 29. Wind speeds though kind of light on the North Shore, but then you head to the South Shore, starting to see those winds pick up, and then winds coming across the lake. Well, that's kind of warming us up a little bit. And when I say warm, it's just relatively speaking. We're all very cold this morning, so no matter where you are, you need your coat. Wind chill this morning, 20s and some 30s. So still another cold start. Cold like the past couple of days, so just keep that going. Let's go over to Luling this morning. So you're going to see clouds increase as we get to the late morning into the early afternoon. 40s by about 9 a.m. So looking at a decent warm up for today. Highs will be into the upper 40s, some low 50s, even some mid to upper 50s, some 60s down along the coastal area. So gradual warm up. But we got big changes on the way. So one model is showing, this is the high resolution model, showing that we could get some rain as early as this afternoon. Now, it doesn't look like a washout for this afternoon. Here's 2 p.m. Few scattered showers possible for us. So just expect that. And then we get to the evening hours, could see a few showers too. So your evening commute could see a little bit of rain for you. But the main event comes overnight. So here's 5 a.m. Also got the temperatures on here as well because our highs for tomorrow are going to happen in the morning. So 5 a.m. 60s and some upper 50s for you. Got this warm front that's bringing up some of that warmer air, but at the same time we're looking at some rain, watching this line move through. So that's 5 a.m. basically going throughout your morning commute. So starting at 5 a.m. through about 9 is when you could see the heaviest of the rain moving through. But look at the temperatures, 47 Baton Rouge. You're starting to see that difference. So that gradual decrease in temperatures by the time we get to the afternoon. Rain is done, but your temperatures are into the 40s, and then you wake up Saturday morning, you're starting off into the 20s and the 30s. Looking at about 1 to 3 inches of rain. Flooding is a possibility. Our ground is very hard. We've been frozen for the past couple of days, so expect that. Also, I want to mention the winds. We could have gusts up to about 40 miles per hour as the system is moving through. So waking up in the morning, you're driving 2 hands on the wheel due to the winds and the rain. It'll still be windy as we get to the afternoon as well as the system moves through. So expect a rainy morning, also a little bit on the breezy side as well. All right, here's a look at the rest of your WDSU First Warning 7-day forecast. Another alert day for tomorrow, and then for the weekend, we are dry and cool.